Hi, recently I bought a Nokia 5510 display module. I mean the LCD display module with blue backlight from AliExpress. So the first thing to make use of this LCD module is to download its library, which can be found in this website over here. So I've actually downloaded it already. Right here, this is the library. So I have to go to the example sketch here, choose AVR, graph demo. Then of course I've already opened this file already. Now let's upload the demo. So right now you have to ensure that there's the library installed inside the PC, which I already have. This is the one. Now let's move on to creating my own sketch. And by the way, there's a documentation that can be found over here, which is what I have opened up already. So yes, you can read through all of this document, which is like a user manual with all of the available functions that you can make use and well experiment with. So now let's go through the program over here. So the most important thing for the programming is the wiring, which is shown over here. This was actually created by the one who made the library. So for example, I have also written down a table over here. So as you can see, that is how you should wire up. This pin number over here is actually corresponds to the pin number that is on the LCD module, and this is the Arduino pin, which corresponds to the pin on this Arduino board. So you have to match them accordingly. And as for the backlight, I will use this 220 ohm resistor in series to limit the current so that well you don't blow the backlight. So moving on, we include this library over here. We got to define our LCD pins over here. Then we just copy it over from the example sketch. It's okay, just copy. This one also just copy over. Then we will start all our programming on void loop function. Maybe we want to add in something after showing the logo. We add in print, say hello world. Then we define the position center. So center means center along the x-axis, and 0 means position right at the top of the screen. As you can see over here in the manual. So and add clear screen. and update screen. And save the sketch. And here we go. And upload. So upload. So here we go. We have written our first program, a Hello World program. Maybe we want to add something like a rectangle. So for the rectangle, you have to refer to the menu over here. It says, let me check. It says these first two numbers are the x and y coordinate of the start corner, and the last two numbers are the x and y coordinate of the end corner. So let's type in draw rectangle 42, 24, and 83, 47. That should give us a rectangle on the lower right hand corner of the screen. Then must always update the screen buffer. Then press upload. Oops, something is wrong. Okay, my bad. Let's see what is wrong with this program. It should show 3 items, but let's troubleshoot it. Okay, here we go. Just need to add in another additional delay over here. So here we go. Let's add something more. Maybe we want to draw a circle. So the manual says this first number over here is the x and y coordinates, then followed by the radius of the circles in pixels. So let's try 41, 23, and say 15. So now let's upload the sketch and see what result we get. And there you have it. We have a successfully drawn a circle. So now let's clear the screen. I mean, clear all the code in the program because I want to write something instead of hello world. Let's try to see if I can print my own YouTube channel name inside. Say DIY. Oops. So display for 1 second. Then print the second line. But this time round, we don't want the Arduino logo to be displayed. So now let's upload the code. Okay, we have successfully printed my YouTube channel name. That's great, but as you can see, it did not leave another line. So over here, we have got to change the value to, let's say, 10, and we see how it goes. So here we go, we have successfully printed my YouTube channel name on the Nokia 5510 LCD module. We hope you enjoy this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.